Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious kale Caesar salad. First, let's prepare the kale. Begin by removing the tough, fibrous stems from your kale leaves. Then, chop the leaves into bite-sized pieces, roughly 1 inch in size. The most crucial step for tender kale is to massage it gently with a tablespoon of olive oil and a pinch of salt for about 2 to 3 minutes. This breaks down the cell walls, making it much more palatable. Next, we'll create a vibrant homemade Caesar dressing. In a bowl, whisk 1 large egg yolk with 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Gradually, and I mean very slowly, drizzle in about 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil while continuously whisking to achieve a creamy emulsion. Finally, stir in 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of anchovy paste for that classic umami flavor. Now it's time to bring everything together for your kale Caesar salad. Take your beautifully massaged kale and add it to a large mixing bowl. Pour in your homemade Caesar dressing. Gently toss the kale with the dressing, ensuring every single piece is thoroughly coated. This step is key for a balanced flavor in every bite. Finish by adding about 1 cup of crispy croutons and an additional 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Your delicious kale Caesar salad is now ready to be enjoyed. For the best texture and flavor, I recommend serving it immediately. If you'd like to make it a more substantial meal, consider adding some grilled chicken breast or roasted chickpeas for extra protein. A final flourish of freshly ground black pepper and a few lemon wedges on the side will elevate this classic dish even further. Enjoy your healthy and flavorful creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.